Dean Davison, liveweatherblog.com meteorologist. Winter weather outlook time. Taking a look at the Washington, D.C. down to North Carolina outlook. Let's take a look at what we're in the first half. We have a few things we can discuss here, what we're going to have this winter with the way that this was set up. Let's start with the Miller B system, where we might have a low sitting here in the Ohio Valley, transfer its energy here to the coast, and then get bigger as it moves up the coast. So one of the things you might see this winter a lot, we talk about Miller B storms. You also may see these huge nor'easters develop off the Carolinas and pump a lot of cold air and moisture in. What will that equal? Ice and snow. A lot higher than normal ice and snow would be, to tell you the truth. We're talking about ice and snow in the areas from the Baltimore, Washington area straight down through the Roanoke area, and what I'm going to show you here is where we see the most snow. We have about 17 inches usually down here in Greensboro. So we're saying 18 to 20 inches there, a little higher. 22 is normal in Roanoke, which is here. We're going to have more than 22. We're going to look at 24 to 34 inches of snow. So your general heavy snow is going to be in this corridor right here. Why do I think that? Well, we get these lows that develop here. It's going to push up against the Blue Ridge Mountain chain, which is sitting back here. The orographic lift will cause more snow right along the Blue Ridge, which will increase the amount of snow fall to the area. That also increases ice for a warmer system. We don't have the layering all the way down to the ground. We have the, in my written part, you'll see we have talked about the NAO, the AO, the MGO, the AAO, and it was being a La Nina, a moderate La Nina year. Looking here, this is why we're discussing this. So, what we have to understand is that we're going to have systems that form off the coast, causing heavier snowfall back in these areas. So DC, Roanoke, expect at least 24 inches of snow coming up. The closer you get to the coast, the less you're going to have a lot more mixing. We may have a couple good significant ice storms also along the Blue Ridge Mountains. Like I said, if it doesn't mix all the way to the ground, it becomes snow. You'll have that issue of ice. So one thing we're going to have to look in the written sections for your exact totals, but that's how it's going to set up. A good blocking high to the north and east will help develop a strong low here, especially if it's the Miller B or where it transfers its energy over to the storm, to the coastline, and moves up the coast. I'm not going to get to Delaware Valley. I'm going to let the other meteorologists get into that. But down here in the Roanoke Valley and North Carolina, Washington, D.C., expect to have a heavier than normal snowfall and more ice storms. I do really stress ice storms because they can be extremely dangerous. Well, that's a quick video outlook. We're looking through the outlook written. I have a lot better planned out for you exactly how much I expect in the bigger cities. For liveweatherblog.com, meteorologist Dean Davison. Enjoy the rest of the winter weather outlook. We'll talk tonight on liveweatherblog.com. Blog Talk Radio. Have a great evening.